Welcome to a new vlog, where Angel will be going to Chicago with her cousins. She forgot to film an intro and an outro, so sorry on her behalf, but she does wish for you guys to enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Apple finna be like, storage empty. Thank you. Send that money.
Thank you.
They ate with whoever built this hotel. Did they thing? They really did it for the girls, for real.
Isn't it gorgeous? Bro, yeah, like in the morning when you stand right here, you get the city right. They should have built that better.
If you live in Chicago, you have no reason to say you can't get pictures because, like,
literally, just go downtown, bitch. Like
everywhere is picture worthy.
And I'm like, oh, you ever the laughing in the freaking elevator. I'm like, that's such a laugh right there.
Literally.
Shit.
Alright.
Very just super good.
huh?
So good. Motivation again.
Ooh, that was good.
Oh, I should ask for bacon too.
Really good.
Shake Shack burger. It was good. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so we just woke up. We're gonna go out to breakfast. We're going to Honey Bear Cafe. I still need to go wash my face and everything. We're gonna be Ubering there. We were hoping it was a closer walk, but it just isn't. But that's okay. That's okay. So I'm gonna just wash my face today, brush my teeth, cause yesterday night we all took a shower. So, but I just can't wait to eat. They're saying the food looks good, so hopefully it is good. I'll probably, like, after I'm done like getting ready and everything, that's when I'll probably like stop recording, and then I'm gonna pick up the camera like when we're driving or like when we're at the restaurant, definitely. But I just want to show y'all, like, this view is it's just so beautiful. Like it's so pretty. Like, God is good, God is great. Like, it's so, and we are in front of the Trump Tower. That shit is tall. Like, that shit is so tall. And then everybody just walking. Everybody got backpacks on. But like, yesterday night we did go to like Shake Shack and everything. It was really good. I got the Shake Shack burger. It was really, really good. Like, honestly, it was good. And we walked around downtown, the city, and it was just so beautiful. Like, it was refreshing. I just loved it so much. We all loved it. And we're just planning on, right now we're getting ready, obviously, like I said. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when I am up, when I have it on and everything. And yeah, It's gonna be a good day today. We're also doing other things. We're doing a boat tour today as well, and we're also going to the sky view. And I'll also be recording for that. So thank goodness my camera is charged, and I also am charging my backup camera. But yeah, I feel like damn, I need to wash my face. Like I need to look alive. But oh yeah, did y'all even see my nails for real? Did I even show y'all my nails for real? Like she did so good. She always does so good.
Hey chat, this is good. It feels like you're not wearing any makeup. Makes your skin glowy. Average tea.
She said, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna grab some Bornis ice.
Are you don't worry, I look wet right now. And I use the one and only Fenty Beauty.
That's Florida.
It's the lauder. It's the lauder. Another one. No, I mean. I thought you mean. Yeah. Where did you find this writing? Because I'm not seeing no writing.
Time for the OOTD outfit of the day.
That's just a game we know. People can play for tonight.
This is actually good. The scenery is so cute. Pretty in here.
With you for tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, I choose or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's all out loud. With
That's water.
Dang, bruh. When you do it inverted, I look sideways.
That's why I always invert my picture. Every time I take a picture, I always invert it because it's too. Maybe you don't invert because your face is not lopsided like some of ours.
I don't invert. No, this is my good
I
side.
mean, I can invert it, but I know my good
But
side.
if you were to invert my face, that would look terrible.
I invert.
Did you do it like the dad? He said, "Is it what is 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 it?"
He ate that. He went hard.
No, I forget. Y'all, I feel we just need your umbrella. Doesn't matter if we're around.
Let's go get her in first because the rain, it just don't seem.
They're confused.
Sagada.
They're confused.
Zagara. Zagaris? Zagara.
Okay, tell them where we're going.
Oh, where are we going?
We're going to the park.
We're going to the park. Is it the Millennial Park?
Yes.
We're going to the Millennial Park. I don't know what park that is. I did not look it up. Actually.
And then we're gonna walk around downtown.
And then we're also gonna go to the sky deck.
Yes.
Sky deck. I'm actually excited for the sky deck. I want to do the thing where like they go like
You gotta take pictures.
where like they stand and then
On the
they have
edge.
them go like.
I'm not doing that.
I just know I'm gonna throw up.
I have no idea.
You're not? You're scared?
Yeah.
Damn, you guys are scary. Elemental. Now you know. Come on, picture right here. A picture right here would suffice.
Hey, boss.
Gotta be
Swazi sponsors.
sponsor.
Okay, what time are you gonna go to the sky deck? We can go at 3 p.m.
How far is it from here?
Let's see.
Do 3 or 4.
For sky deck?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm excited. I'm scared. We're gonna be all the way up there, like.
It's a 25-minute walk.
That's fine. We're
Not
going.
bad. Keep going.
Okay,
Ever not? Y'all have shoes, right?
I'm new to this. I'm not. I mean, I'm true to
I
this.
have those sambas, but they hurt.
Really?
Really?
I feel like I'm just.
They hurt sometimes.
You have to like wear them in.
At first it hurts, and then I wear them all the time.
Okay, yeah. Somebody go ask for that umbrella.
Oh gosh. You guys have umbrellas?
Yeah, I'll assist for. What's your room number?
702.
I can only do one umbrella.
That's fine.
Sorry. Okay.
Thank you. Get the umbrella.
Okay, I'm buying the sky deck tickets now.
Yeah, because you don't buy them, don't mind them. Do you have a regular?
Do you have
your pass?
a passport? Do you have a reservation? Oh, you're gonna have to go online and do that for me. Thank you. The view going out is just always so amazing. Hey y'all, we have made it to Millennial Park and this is what it is giving. I feel like it's alright, but we haven't walked everywhere, so there's still more to see, so I'm not gonna judge too quickly. I like the flowers though. Where is the bean? Oh, I see it. Where? It's right there. It's like hidden. You see that? The building, how the building is like. You see?
Oh, it is right there.
Told ya. I got good eyesight.
Only because you ain't here. You're true leader, and I'm a flash from it.
Yeah, this is so pretty. Like, I love the skylines here. Like, it is magnificent. The buildings are so tall. Like, whoever built this city, if you was here working on these buildings, you ate down. You ate down. I think I want a picture right here. You?
With the bean on the back?
Sure.
Oh, your camera, my camera?
I just love.
Wow.
It's just we haven't even walked all the way, have we?
Oh.
Oh, what are we doing?
What?
Yeah, we're gonna walk around more the park.
I just thought it was like lower. I didn't think it was gonna be high. Like
I know.
I'm like, oh, interesting.
It looks really cool.
Yeah.
When you get inside, it's like trippy.
Yeah.
I was like, hello.
It's pretty cool, bro.
Watermelon sugar. So we're heading over to Starbucks.
No, we're going to the Lincoln Conservatory.
Lincoln
Chicago.
Is that a museum?
Chicago Culture Center.
Is that a museum?
Not really, but it has like the building is pretty.
Oh, okay.
Tonight, because I'm honestly too young of a guy to stay for waiting for love. So tonight, I'm gonna do what a single man does, and that's fine. Oh yeah. Oh no, you ain't got to go. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. You ain't got to go. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. You ain't got to go, baby. It's okay, girl. Alright tonight. Oh, you ain't got to go. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight. Don't text me, don't text me. We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with a reason why we both can't lay it. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game, you know, we both can play. For tonight, I'm yours, so tonight, the truth, or stay behind closed doors, 'cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become
I really hope my drink tastes good for real though.
You already got?
And a chocolate croissant.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Where do we some iced tea latte and a chocolate croissant and some leftover pizza that I'll be eating. Thank you. So cute. Okay. We're gonna review this croissant. Have you guys had the croissant here?
It's good. Good.
I'm gonna try my drink first.
You have to mix it.
Oh my god.
It should be sweet. If you're gonna try.
It's not sweet.
Did you get chai?
I swear, I said chai. And I asked what flavor chai do they have.
It's not try to give coffee.
It's coffee. Chai tastes like tea.
Yeah, coffee. Where's the receipt?
Yeah, you got coffee, babe.
Where's the receipt? What? Where's your receipt, bud?
This is good. it, Peter.
This is really good. Surprisingly. I thought it was gonna be like cardboard, you know? But it was actually pretty good.
Why was strawberry?
Okay, perfect. I appreciate it. I'll look at it. Oh, never mind.
Oh my god. The agua done fell down. Okay.
We can take pictures here though.
Yeah.
While we're waiting for the food.
Hello y'all. We are now at the rooftop. This is where we're gonna eat dinner at. The view. Period. This is the rooftop of our hotel. It's giving. It's cute. It's cute.
Spare ribs and udon noodles.
What do you rate it so far?
Spare ribs, I give it a 7. It's just the sauce. It's chimichurri on top. It's a little sour, but like it's okay. The udon noodles are good too.
What did you order?
I got the Korean short ribs. It comes with corn and kimchi and some chimichurri sauce. I give it a 7 out of 10. And then we also got some truffle fries.
Here's my food. I just got a regular burger. So boring. Oh, I forgot.
Give it to me, don't worry.
My burger looks so dry. You know what? Tomorrow I'll actually try something different other than a burger. I stay getting burgers.
I mean, never go wrong. I never go wrong.
These are good.
Really good.
Did you reserve the boat? Oh, that's why. That's why we gotta skip that. Hey y'all, so we are at our architecture tour. We have a boat tour that we're gonna go on.
Enjoy, guys.
We have a boat tour that we're gonna go on. I am so excited, and I'm gonna record for you guys to show you guys the scenery that we are seeing. This is my first boat tour in a while. The one in Miami was actually pretty cool. This one I feel like it might be better because all the buildings.
Sound. It on me, I love when you spin it on me. Go and tell me, got me up in Givenchy. Before my love couldn't be falling, but now that's all I want. Give me a diamond, that's how you make it right. Trade me a silk and we would never fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right ahead and spend it on me. Go right ahead and spoil me, baby. Buy back my love. Keep those sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart. Puts me away from all of my pain. What's the point of having a heart in this world? Ashamed and played, I just wanna be a girl someday. I don't wanna think. Don't make me a fool, make me a pretty woman. I'm my damsel in distress, my love. Before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right ahead and spend it on me. Go right ahead and spoil me, baby. Buy back my love. Keep those sweet nothings from me. They don't mean nothing to me. Diamonds and pearls, I'm that type of girl now. I want your black card, you can keep your heart.
Y'all, the view of the city was beautiful. It was amazing. I give it a 10 out of 10. Must recommend when y'all come to Chicago. It's just beautiful. I love that we got this hotel, low-key. It gave every inch of our money I mean, it was worth every inch of our money. It was worth. Fuck trunk.
What? Where's the makeup wipe?
My bad.
Fun trunk.
Sorry.
That's too funny. That's too funny.
Trunk.
Like, who is that?
I don't know.
Des Congolais? Congolais. Oh. Good morning, guys. Just woke up. About to get ready. Go brush my teeth, do my makeup, and be real fast because you don't want people getting mad. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of my makeup routine again for this morning, and then I'm gonna take you guys on a long day because today is a long day. So we're about to get ready and we're just about to get into it.
God, I love you so. Girl, if I told you I love you, that doesn't mean that I don't care. Ooh, and when I tell you I need you, don't you think that I'll never be there? Ooh, I'm so tired by the way you talk about it. So yes, lies, don't misunderstand me when I try to speak my mind. What I'm trying to say, oh, Cupid, oh, yeah, Cupid, what do you want to unless you give it a try? Ain't no doubt about it. Lord, Lord,
I am all done. I'm all done. So I'm gonna show you guys more of the outfit when I'm like outside because I'm already late. Everybody angry.
Who do you want married?
Soft to the touch, let you hold some, let you get a handful, baby. She's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby. You can crash it on me. Cash out on a video. Make 'em get strapped to see the rodeo. Put on a show and make it nasty. Just a Chico in the backseat. Everything bigger than Texas. Big body busted open, feed you breakfast. Catch me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms. Drink me till it's done. Eat it all. Keep you closer, let you love me like a lady, yeah. Toast it over, it get creamy in the middle, yeah. Wanna buy in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' want some more. When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body bullets, one polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna look tonight. Posing who can step the right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight.
But y'all, we're at Starbucks. We're waiting to go in Soul Food. That's what it's called, right? Soul Food.
So vibes.
And we have to wait an hour since me and Susan are not 21. I don't know why they do that though, but I guess. So our wait time is gonna be an hour. Hopefully it's shorter. Hopefully it's shorter. But I'm gonna go order something, a chocolate croissant, because it was really good yesterday when I got it. And I want to try a frappuccino, but I'm scared. And I'm scared my stomach is actually gonna act up. So maybe I should order a refresher. Maybe I should just order a refresher. Be smart. Bye.
I'm not mad at them.
The thing starts right here, bro. The 10-minute grace period. Bye. He said immediately. Immediately. You're gonna go back. Can't wait. I feel like I did too much blood.
It literally looks fine.
Maybe pat it down a bit. Look at me, pat it down a bit. Oh shit. Thank you. What's that? It look good.
Oh, really?
Well, thanks. Oh, now I'm still looking. Help. I feel like I don't know why it's so scary to get compliments from guys when you're alone. They'd be like, I followed the action people's number. We're good. Guys, this food better be good. I'm beating everybody up.
It's good. I'm just thinking about it.
Finally got my food. This was the honey chicken sandwich with fries. Christine got egg rolls. That meat inside. Her food smells so good. Like, I want to steal one.
It needs like.
Yeah, they ate this. What did you get, ma'am?
Chicken wings, mac and cheese, and cornbread.
Okay.
I got fried catfish, cornbread, and collard greens.
Period. Oh my gosh. If it tastes like the one from San Diego, I'm actually gonna be so freaking happy. This is their food. Oh my god. Oh my god, the venue.
Let's just slow. Let's be mindful. Let's be the way.
Let me calm. No rush. We've made it to the beach, y'all. We're gonna take some beach photos. Literally.
I can't even fan face for the sand.
Man, swimming for dear life. This is so pretty. All them people, even in Miami, it was not this much people, and we went during the summer.
I don't know about this place, you know.
Yeah.
Strawberry shortcake.
I got me mango cup, but I feel like I should have got the mangoes that are like kind of hard, but we're gonna try these out, see if they taste good or not. Damn, I feel like the lighting is not doing me just we're gonna see how this
Like spicy.
mayo. I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because I heard mayo. We about to. Wait a minute.
Why are we
What?
I want to try barbecue. I mean, yeah, I never go wrong.
And
I
then
think
we
you
can,
never go wrong.
What else did you want?
we can get boba too. I want a milk tea.
Milk tea.
I've never had boba before.
It's good.
Cold tea.
I see. Just put it like on the white the shop right there.
Yeah.
So then they'll fall.
At one, huh? I ain't done yet. This my dick, sis. You don't need a baby yet. Wish my ass would play with my baby dad. You ain't gotta ask, bitch. You don't need a baby dad. I would never ever lay down with another man. Bills paid, body count, why you another man? This so good, I'll never miss with a man. I'm a bad little.
I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go.
Amazing.
I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be. You be lying. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna. Thank you.